To register a key, select Register a Key and fill out the details. Then attach a fob and either enter the 8-digit code located on the back of the fob or scan the fob on the back of your phone. This will register the key and log it out. If you don't need this key immediately, select I'd like to drop off this key and place it in the cabinet. To collect a key, select Collect a Key and either enter the 8-digit fob code or scan the fob. Then choose a return date. To give a key to someone else, select Give a Key and either enter the 8-digit fob code or scan the fob. Then enter the name of the other user and give them the keys. To return a set of keys, select Return to Office. Then scan the key fob or enter the 8-digit fob code and place them back in the cabinet. To view a key's info, select Key Info and scan the fob or enter the 8-digit fob code. To delete a key, select Retire a Key and scan the key fob or enter the 8-digit fob code. Once you've checked the details, scan the fob or enter the code again to confirm. Once the key has been deleted, you can reuse the key fob.